And once again, this is the Upnlive show we have here each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. This is the Upnlive show.
Yeah.
I know it's a week here, the baddest and the best artists right around the UK, right here to your TV screens, to your monitors and everything. And like no other week, we have a very special guest. He's a returning resident, so to speak.
Furniture now.
Yeah, him there look a while. And firstly, I couldn't get him name. Me should call him Reson8. But no, I know the name right. Yeah. Reson8 is inside the studio. Good evening to you, sir. It work. Persistent.
Uvex.
Them vex.
Uvex.
Nobody can vex. I was them vex. Good evening, brother. What's up?
What go on? I'm there.
We see what go on still. No? Me know what go on for you, but what's been happening since the last time we spoke?
You know, sir, I just there go and put in a whole heap of work since the name change.
Yep.
Yeah, me see the name change, so you have to work extra hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause the people might forget
To know the
the
new.
name changes, you me?
And as you said before, I like what you did in terms of you do one song and then you put in the work into promoting the one song and not putting out a whole song. I kind of understand and get your marketing strategy.
Yeah.
And it makes sense. Is it the same strategy you're using now or you changed it?
No man, I see him groundwork we are putting because it don't make sense you go put out a whole heap of song and them not even the people not even know the first one.
Yeah.
So the best thing you put out the song them, make the people them
Get used to it.
Yeah.
And then you move on to our next one.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
We started to see you doing more visuals now. What's the play there? Because the video that you did, I see you did the video recently.
That's what lifestyle.
Yeah. Talk us about that single for me.
Yeah, that single was how much months now? Probably 2 months ago put out a single. Yeah.
But because lockdown every day just feel like yesterday and today and so
Every day just mix up.
time slow.
Yeah, that single they meant to come out before
The lockdown thing.
the lockdown thing, you know. But it was just
Never work out.
all over the place.
So how are these people receiving the new name, the Reson8 thing?
You know, so people them never really like it, but
Never for work
too
with
much flexing of the business.
Yeah.
Too much flexing of the
flex, yeah.
business. And me not sound like nobody else. Me not look like nobody else.
Yeah.
So why should I have the same name as everybody else?
Yeah.
Exactly. And it makes sense to you. Recently, I seen you at a particular party. I don't know if you want to disclose that you were at this party, but there was a little
Event.
a little stage show going, and there was quite a few number of different artists, but you went center stage and took the microphone, and you had the biggest forward, like the biggest. Yeah. Talk to me what happened there. If you want to disclose whose party you were, I don't really want to say it, so I don't really know all the thing going. Because you know artists still.
Talk the things them, man.
Yeah, man, big
What go on?
Stylo G
Alright.
birthday thing, you see me?
Birthday
Okay.
brunch.
Yeah. Well, you know, say him say yo resonate, they don't know forward. You see me? So we there and we watch the player. You see what I say? So you know, say when me touch the mic, you know, different
Fire
settings, you know.
It was quite a good performance.
Different settings. Cause like me say, the name change, so we have to make the people them know who is resonate.
And was this the first time? Obviously, this is the first time during lockdown you're getting a
Yeah.
platform such as that. How was
Yeah.
that experience after such a long time?
Yeah, no.
And then whole name change thing. What was it like?
Why? You see, anytime I see a stage and a mic,
Yeah.
I just get buzzing.
Yeah.
Buzzing.
Okay, Pop God.
Well, have a buzz.
Buzzing.
But if you're an artist or you're passionate about your craft, it is the right feeling to have and it's the right attitude to have to want to deliver on your craft. Because if you're not having that excitement, I think you should
That
change
make no sense.
profession.
Yeah.
I see some man up on the stage and them a play some diva role. I dey on the diva thing, you know.
Yeah, out there for perform.
But they have to please the people, them.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Is what I say?
So are we looking for more? You want to say something?
Well, I see something about him on that little stage show, or that party, I should say. We can see a drive, a fire.
Yeah.
We can see a hungry
Yeah, man, I'm
face.
hungry for it, man.
Because
Trust me,
I'm
man.
like, when we just meet you, was a bit more laid back. And we
Yeah.
can see a bit of fire in it. It's like, it's like one at a time, like, Stylo a performer, you know, like everybody I say, yo, I get a forward and everybody free free mic and the man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's
man.
the place again? I say,
Yeah.
You have a little fire in it.
Cause guess what? At 10 years now, we are do the thing, you know. So I'm not try to do the thing no more.
Yeah,
Me
you're,
do
you're
it.
doing it. Just do it, Mikey.
Exactly.
Just
I
do
was a bit confused. Are you a part of Warning or are you just associates?
I'm affiliated with them at the
Affiliate.
moment.
it. Okay.
Okay.
Is the aim to be a part of it?
Because yeah.
Things
That's the
is in the
question.
pipeline, but
Okay.
not confirmed solid yet.
Not confirmed,
Fingers
sorry.
crossed.
Because I see you, I see you on the camp kind of close together. Big up DJ, I'm bridging name again, man. I hope you don't see interview with can't remember my name but further on. But I see you have some close affiliation with the camp and that confirmed it, that whole party vibe confirmed what I was thinking, that you're heading that direction for the side.
Yeah.
So how do you think that would affect your career? Because Stylo G proclaims himself as a UK bounty, which I agree.
When me that say hands down, you see me? Hands down, Stylo G is the biggest
Yeah.
dancehall artist
It is
in the
in
UK
the
right
UK.
now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
We're not gonna take that from him.
Yeah.
You understand?
He's
So
worked for it and earned it.
And
yeah.
his work rate is par to
yeah,
none.
put in the work.
But as Rorik said, he proclaimed himself as UK bounty. So we see him making some move like he's assembling a team.
I like a team around it.
Yeah, so
Team
him,
of
so
artists
if him say
similar to
if him say
Alliance.
him a the UK dancehall bounty, him need fi show out some youths.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the thing. This is what we're trying to get at, because I don't really see him like having a little, every artist have a little second, a little side,
Yeah.
and say, yo, I him my father. I don't really see him do that. But judging off the type of shows that he's been doing, he's been working on himself, which you can agree, and he's done a very good job at that. So you being a part of the Warning now, I think to me it's a good idea.
Affiliated with Warning.
Affiliated
Let's
with
just
the
get it
Warning.
correct.
Yes.
Yes.
We just wait for the T's to cross and,
Yeah,
and the
the
I's
eyes
for
to be
that up.
dotted.
Yeah, because obviously, like, 7 brothers, 7 different minds. So I think your style and your flow and what you bring towards a team would be different from his thinking. So we see it with every camp. Like, perfect example, up on the 6th camp. When Squash them hot, then Chronicle are hot, and then when them kind of slow down, you have Daddy One them a rise up, and
Yeah.
So the whole camp still a shine right through.
As what you say, you see when you see Stylo G right now, he must say Warning, but who is Warning? You understand? So he must make the people them.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
must
yeah.
make the people them know
No,
who is
who is
Warning.
Warning.
Yeah.
Not me. I don't me. And my
obviously.
job that.
Yeah.
You, if you want to make the Warning, you have to make that. You have to say, yo, you.
And
As
you're
you are the leader. So you understand? When I say we are the follower, but
Yeah,
you
of course. You're
eyes
the
there for
front.
you.
Yeah, I'll eyes upon it.
Let's switch the
Listen,
focus from.
in everywhere you go, you have structure to business, because if you are a 9 to 5 and you have a boss, same thing as a leader. So if you're under umbrella or a camp,
Yeah.
you're gonna have somebody at the end of the table.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
So-
but at the same
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
at the same time, this is my opinion. If you are gonna say you build a crew, at the same time
It
you
needs
have
to be
to
known.
you have to make the rest of the artists them known. So when you kinda lukewarm,
Yeah.
Everybody
the
can
next
step
no
up.
the next artist can do film
up.
thing.
Yeah.
And
Because
you
if
see
you
that you
example
can.
like Governor and Idonia.
Yes,
When I
yes,
mean it,
yeah.
Idonia never did it, you know.
Yeah.
He might do some other thing, but Governor hold up the camp.
Yeah.
You understand? And you see the other day him come with say, what's song name? Yeah man.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Just forward back
So-
just
so-
like that.
So let's swing it back a bit back towards you now.
Yeah.
So we're in 2020. Quarantine is. We don't know if we're gonna go back in a 1 second wave of lockdown, but you have put out Caption This, which is a collab with Stylo.
Caption that.
Caption that.
Caption
Sorry,
that, yeah.
Caption This. Caption that.
Yeah.
How was the creation of that track for you? I mean,
You
cause
ready?
me like
You
the
ready?
track, by
You
the way.
ready? You ready? You ready? You want to hear what I go on?
Yeah,
You really want to hear
that's
what
why
I
I'm
go on?
asking you a question.
I was the one who come up with the idea of Dumpling.
Eh?
As in the track itself.
Dumpling.
The whole Dumpling. Out and bad. Yeah, we stunting.
Okay.
All them thick like dumpling.
Okay.
Eh?
That's my thing.
Nice.
But you don't know. It's a styler. Him hear it and him say him like it. I will say, yo, run with it.
Okay.
So, make
So-
sure when you say this in the brother, because
I mean,
Yeah.
We
Years
don't need
have
to
a
go around
turn.
corner.
Well, him cool with this
So
then.
anything on the ear first and on the upper life show, because my ears firmly on the ground and I never know that. So
And that
Big
song,
up to
Goes to
you.
you.
Yeah, big up to you. That's a good
But
thing.
anyway, we
Is a-
don't already talk no more. One
We are talking about
preview
caption
the
that.
song. Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
preview caption
No, that's
that real quick.
that's okay. Then.
We'll preview this caption that real quick.
Pocket them fat, rocks pan rocks, ice too cold, caption that. Up them girl, send them back. We lucky place to them feel up chat.
Yeah, win we a win. Yap them a yap, big fat Benz outside man a rock. Put it on the gram, caption that. More girls so you know a more option that.
Mana, top shooter straighter than ruler. We are in the old place got ask over. Yeah, the money coming faster than scooter. And we are top girls when we was a little schooler.
See how I do them yota, we are them tutor. Teach man a teach them, get the computer. Girl they a gun they and we are the shooter. She give me the so when she got spot the medusa.
So people know you hear it, that's caption that.
caption that.
So
Which
if you
was-
want to hear it, I don't know, do the writing.
Which was
On
also
Spotify,
listed in the plug.
Upload,
You
yeah.
don't know, say Upnlive show always
Yeah.
premiere good things.
Yeah.
Of course.
And you know, a couple weeks ago it was in our plug listing. So big up yourself, Reson8.
Mad.
It's
So-
trendy.
It is, and
Yeah.
I mean it's catchy,
Yeah.
and I mean you can relate.
You know,
to
hear
it.
me say, we are in the place got ask a blood clot Uber.
UBER.
Trendy.
Might say fast as scooter, yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, the money coming faster than scooter.
Scooter.
A trendy, I'd be a trendy thing we are using, isn't it?
I realize that.
If
that
you notice the people, them are, I be a scooter thing them are
Yeah.
use about the place, so you have to use them thing there. You see me?
Yeah.
You have to good with the word play them and look what go on round you and put it in at the song so people can relate to the whole of them
As I
talking.
talk
Yeah.
about the whole dumpling thing, all that thought come in your mind. Out and bad, it's stunting. Yeah, that's what it's-
You know, say it's a song I write from long time.
yeah.
Right, the chorus,
Mm.
the verse them Stylo G put that together.
Yeah.
But the verse, I have that verse there from a long time.
Yeah.
Him play the rhythm,
Mm.
I'm sing the chorus.
Also, so it was a pre-built rhythm. So you see that rhythm, you just hear the rhythm and you say like this fit on it.
Yeah,
Like just like when an artist come to do a freestyle, you might have some old lyrics
Mhm.
and you can slot them in here with some new one and some move around something
yeah,
to make like a mad freestyle.
yeah.
So it was something like that then.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So and then but it works in your favor because now you're doing a collab with the
Stylo.
hottest
Yeah.
dancehall artist in the UK.
Yeah,
so to
that's
speak.
that's a big look.
And
That's a
Stylo G has earned the recognition. So when he releases songs,
Mm.
people pay attention.
Yeah,
Because if I say Stylo G, I mean I download song, me I got at least give a listening ear.
yeah.
To the collabs that he does.
And yeah, because of the success of the songs that he did before recently. So good move, and I hope it works well for you for the future. But as I said, you're working on the new project now.
And the video feed are gonna drop very soon as well.
How soon
we
is
already
soon?
shot the video.
Shot the video already.
Next week.
Hopefully before the month finish.
Okay. Nice.
Nice,
Good.
wicked. I mean, know your video them always clean.
Always
man.
clean.
Always clean.
Come on.
It always resonates with the people. You understand?
Let's see one little, some little Snapchat thing. No, Instagram clippings, like when they put a video shoot.
On a block, yeah,
And
yeah,
I was
yeah.
kind of wondering if it's style of video shoot or is
Resonate video shoot.
Because he was there and everybody was there basically.
I did see him video, man.
I see in video.
Caption
And
that.
Alright.
if by the clippings I saw,
If by that clipping,
me enjoy them
the
small
video
clippings
bad.
that video go bad.
Yeah, of
Big up
course.
yourself.
I'm not chatting.
And a chatting.
I will like
It's
that.
trending.
So, any other things that you're working on at the moment? Is there any
Yeah,
other
we just
materials?
voice 2 new songs, but them need to mix and master, and we still have voice, still alright. But more I say, you see this. Come here, we not talk about the dancehall thing before.
Yeah, give us your viewpoint on that.
We're talking about.
Yeah,
We're talking.
before me-
Was
before
it
me
was the
forward
headphone thing you're talking about?
No, the whole entire dancehall
Industry.
industry
the industry
thing.
by how it
Yeah,
was
like-
structured.
I think we need a platform in a land in England.
Mm.
There's no platform in England for dancehall music.
Exactly. So
None.
This is what I was saying. That
That's why we are feel this and I get so frustrated.
And
There's
left
none
out and
because when you
yeah,
look
yeah.
on the biggest music in England right now, is grime.
Yeah,
You understand? Them they play on the mainstream radio.
All the time.
You
right,
understand?
true.
I just like you lot a player and some other liquor
Radio
radio
station,
station.
yeah.
Dancehall music is like underground
Because
music.
it's niche.
You understand?
Mm.
It's like underground music in England. You understand? So people are take from it and are earn from it.
And
Like
not giving credit to
you
it.
see all like all Whiskey,
Mm.
some artist name what's the name Darko or and all them.
Darko, yeah.
A dancehall
A
music, them
dancehall
are doing.
music, well,
A
yeah,
dancehall them are
yeah,
doing.
yeah.
Just got them just have an accent to it.
Accent to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But them are win.
Them
And
are
we
win.
are fight against each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them are use our thing and we not see that.
No,
Yeah.
because what they're using, they have a formula. Because we don't understand that the African music board is more structured than our board, and
Right.
but Africa is bigger still, to be honest.
Yeah, but what you bigger
Hold
judgment?
on. Like when it's come out to certain music over, when it come out to structure, I would say no. They're not more structured than we, just because, we are, as Jamaican or as dancehall, we're segregated.
We're very selfish.
And we're very selfish, because if you over this and you win,
Yeah, nah, go support
me and
them.
you good and I come say big up yourself, but I'm not trying to push your thing, I'm not trying.
And what you bigger
Should
judgment?
be up
No?
there.
Some people love deal with name too much.
Yep.
It's all about name for them.
Yeah.
You understand? Nowadays, let me show you, I'm not calling a name, but I reach out to a producer in Jamaica and ask him to collab with a known female artist.
Yeah.
I know him said to me, him say, brother, I tell you straight, she go look on your Instagram page first.
To see your numbers.
To see the
See the
numbers. Them. That's all them care about. Numbers.
Numbers.
For Instagram number, because
But
look at this.
And what you big, I'm not cut you again. What you bigger judgment now? The other day, ding dong, forward over here.
Mm.
Zin?
Mm.
And there I go and think to some artists or some big artists. And when I go up on the stage, nobody don't know them. And when me forward, remember, I'm glad me never there on my ends.
Mm.
Out of port me go. And you want to see the
You still
forward.
get good support.
That for sure you say, you see when you can go in front of people and make the people
captivate the crowd.
resonate
Yeah.
to what you say.
Say-
I'm a boss.
And
yeah,
that's
but
the thing
so
there.
you're saying that Ding Dong basically flop on the show and Resonate take the show.
Them not going with nothing, just have name.
So,
That
okay.
me I make you know.
So how can we bridge this gap now? Because we know what the
We
problem.
need a platform, a proper platform.
What type
What?
of
What?
platform
Yeah.
do
What
we
do you
need?
suggest?
Me that say start off. Alright, what you bigger judgment now? Zin? You have grime daily. All of the youths them when them put out every grime song, they have a platform to put
to
it
put
on.
it on.
You
Right.
see me? So that get popular
Yeah.
on the YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
and then the mainstream radio
Gravitates to it.
Yeah.
You understand? So
Yeah.
we have to build a channel
Mm-hmm.
in England where all dancehall artists can put their music on this channel. So any dancehall artist you want to
Hold on,
find,
Resident.
you can go to this channel and find them.
Right.
President, I'm not cut you, but we are doing kind of the same thing, so why we not get the support? Because you are
That's
saying, you know, we are basically doing the same thing, you know.
That's true.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes,
Of
we
course.
do.
Wherever you, but
Do you put out dancehall videos?
We post. That's what the plug is for. We do the plug every Monday. Everything. No, and we don't only
Like me, I
focus
say,
on. We try to. The platform here is for persons who are upcoming in the business who wants to put out their music to be seen and to be heard. That's
So-
what the platform is for.
We keep saying it, and like
That's
when
what
we
the
see
platform
something,
is for.
Like, you see some away sometimes to like. You say the Jamaican never look at numbers, but you don't come like we call it like racism. Sometimes we think about something and we say it. And in ourselves we know it's kind of racist, you know. Because it's not you being racist, but it's been taught by your foreparents, and without you knowing you do what you're doing, it's like subconscious racism. You don't come like the same thing with support and doing like Instagram and supporting each other and boosting
Alright,
channel.
what's the next topic? What's the next thing we can say now? Yeah, you see, if a British person keep a dancehall party, everybody turn out for that. But it's when a Jamaican
American,
keep it,
Them iffy.
I be a
To go
if and
support.
butty and it. So we fight against each other in a
everything.
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 Everything. Yeah.
You understand? So that's why probably you lot thing now blew up like that, because everybody I look over to the everybody
Next
want, yo, I want to put my video on grime daily, but your music is not grime.
Grime,
man.
exactly.
Find a dancehall channel to put
Exactly.
it on.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You know, see, like, in the way name, grime, daily.
Daily. So you have
What,
to
you
dance
understand?
over
You
the
need reggae or
Dancehall.
dancehall daily.
You can't put it over there now, but you just have to make sure you put it with
Yeah,
the
but when you
dancehall
put
there
it
as well.
over there, you see the comments and people are saying, yo, what's this, blood? I won't listen to this, blood. This is garbage, blood.
Exactly. They put over like, you get numbers up on Instagram, but because people just fast on it to see what.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're not really.
Yeah, them not
If
really.
you have bad comments, it's not people not gonna check out the music because obviously you're not building your own brand.
You're
And
building
not-
someone
you're not-
else's.
Yeah,
because they're not gonna check out
Yeah,
your channel after.
But what's the thing again? Yeah, most of them users will even get views as well. I know really views them get, you know, people just fast.
Yeah,
People
just
just want to
look
see
on it. Yeah,
Why
yeah,
is
yeah.
it?
where
So it's not-
where my weird,
It's not
what kind
genuine
of car.
support. It's not genuine
Isn't it just
support.
fast,
yeah, yeah,
innit?
yeah, yeah,
You understand? Them just fast,
It's not authentic.
Yeah.
Inquiry.
inquisitive.
So, so that's something that we need to look into.
So
Yeah, man, we need a platform for dancehall music. That's the only way we're gonna move forward.
Resonate, they seem kind of premeditated. Have you been speaking to any one of your colleagues about this topic before?
No, I've been talking about it every day, but nobody now go pay attention until like you have a name in it. Nobody know. You might tell you them people work off a name and numbers. You see this
Yeah.
trending something.
Yeah.
That's all people care about. Yo, me a trend on YouTube.
Because we all see it like when the top acts come to England,
Because
like the big artists from Jamaica, me and you know, like they don't come to the smaller radio station that play their music
Not
every day
top
and day
backside.
they ring go BBC and the Capital Extra where they get a feature that are playing like late at night.
nobody knows. Listen
Because
to
you're not in
BBC.
the UK and because you're the
The
cult and
dancehall.
the name, you
Wait.
quick, and if you call them as a little station like
Yeah.
us,
We've
like-
we've done it on several occasions.
Can I say something as well? Not it not good for all DJs, you know, but marriage to the man them will play
Majority.
music.
Mm-hmm.
Seeing when me see marriage to the DJ them when them come off of the radio station, whatever radio station them a play, them have a 9 to 5. So them not really care about you like all the artists like me give all them song. If them like the song, yeah, them play it, but them not really care for bust the song.
Yeah.
They don't really care because it's not do nothing for them, if you understand. You understand? When we there at Jamaica now, and you say to a man, even you comes and wrap up all the 5 bags and say, yo, $5,000 in a dog, you don't know. Bless that song for me. I even him no want no money like that. He might play because I guess that's his living. Him not
Yeah,
have
That is, yeah.
no
nothing.
other choice.
Him not
Yeah,
have
yeah, yeah.
nothing. But you see in England now, man just play music just for the fun of it.
yeah.
And just them hobby and them just make a side hustle or something like that. You understand? Me show you our vibes. But then I one party one time, and I call him. Since that song I come out, caption. See? And I said to our brother, I say, yo, you know, say, me don't want drop some money, pull up. No, lie. Me say, yo, you know, so me don't want you play caption. The man say, no, you know, so me not have the song. I send him the song, you know. See? But here the bigger judgment. Me say to him, say, yo, you know, so me don't want to put some money, pull up on it. Him comes up, boop, 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 find it quick.
I find it
And me
quick.
say, watch ya.
Oh, because money always come into play.
It's
That
a go-go
one.
mentality.
Some go settings.
I agree and I disagree in a term.
Them
because-
so at that I mess up the thing, you understand? Me nah say
No genuine
people have
support.
bills to pay and kids to look after, you know.
Yeah,
You see me?
yeah,
But we nah, you see me, man just a
Genuinely
look for
support it.
for them side alone. Them nah look for and say, yo, you know, so that youth they try.
give
them a
And him
genuine-
sound them sound good.
Yeah.
Let me give him a strength. You see me? Every man that talk about say, yo, when you're boss, you have to forget about man and If at that you gotta think about low
It don't
music
make no
alone, dog.
sense. Yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
if me to think like that, me that say, yo, when Stylo G sing Dumpling, me that think it different. But every youth need a chance, innit?
Yeah.
So when him do the Dumpling, me say, yo, do your thing, dog. Just bless me back. Simple as that.
The same situation we that talk about with the left side, because you hear the left side, the when name Dragon
The-
6ix9ine.
Yeah, the 6ix9ine.
6ix9ine song
And the left side.
and the left side song.
Yeah.
The left side want your body, want
Yeah.
your body, and the 6ix9ine.
Nice.
put
I
on
see him not change nothing.
You know,
Him
change.
just take the words
Alright.
them and just put it on a different rhythm.
What are your views on that situation?
Why?
Because what I said is that if him link him directly and say, yo, brother,
This is what
put-
I'm doing.
yeah, this one, yeah,
I
Ray,
watch
Ray,
it.
Ray.
Watch it now. Remember when Cartel is sing over about Neo song? Neo ban it.
No.
Yeah.
So left side should reach out
actually
to him
do the same
company
thing.
and to him and management and make him know say, yo,
But
Yeah,
the thing
'cause
about
Cartel and Neo song is totally different because in Neo song, it's in terms of the lyrics.
No, the
it's
rhythm.
same
The rhythm.
It's a rhythm.
But
yeah.
left side rhythm on this one is totally different rhythm, but it's still the actual words. Remember, like rhythm is like the producer them have most of the rights to the rhythm, but the artist himself have the rights towards the words.
The word content.
Especially if you are a writer.
Yeah.
Like the writers have the
Yeah, like me, they have the rights. Me have the rights with Dumpling.
Okay.
So,
Understand?
so what would you do if you were left side? Would you
if you come to some form of agreement?
would you go for suing or
Royalty, you see me, that's copyright.
Yeah,
exactly.
copyright.
So, but this
Hands
is the spin of the situation. Me I say, you can collect royalty, or you can suggest that listen, put me upon the remix because
It can't work. It can't. Me that. If
which
if
one
it
you would
was
go
me,
for?
if it was me,
Cause he remember
if it was me, it's a gamble because if you
Exactly.
go if you go remix, the song might touch.
Yeah.
But in first one,
Yeah.
it go somewhere and
Yeah.
it always a go there and
It's always going to be
Yeah.
there.
be there. So
yeah.
me just probably collect royalty.
And just left it
Because
as
sometimes somebody not even want to hear the remix.
The remix.
If it not that shot more than the original.
And then we being here, we're just speaking of assumptions because we don't
Yeah,
know
we don't
if
know.
one them link for
Yeah.
real or him
Yeah.
actually just take it and run with it.
Yeah, probably
But
left side.
if it is a case that 6ix9ine actually did not make contact and didn't speak to left side, left side need to do a flow again.
Definitely. So are
Simple.
You, of course. Are
Simple
you
but.
thinking about how you are the Jamaica's sides there? Have you been promoting in Jamaica?
You know, sir,
Are you
I
planning
want
to go
touch-
that way?
I want to say the only time I see result out of this music thing, the real way I want to see it, I when I go back on the island.
As in physically go there
Yeah,
or
when I touch back down on the island.
so how I guess your question is alongside the promotion aspects because we're now in quarantine. You're not able to physically go there.
Yeah.
How has promotions been focused towards Jamaica? Has it been a good look? What is it?
I've just been using social media to just stay in tune with the people and I make the people them know update.
And the support has been the very same,
Yeah,
very good
same,
support.
Same thing.
All right then,
Yeah.
cool. So
Of course.
we're looking forward to the new projects that are coming. I'm very excited about this part of the show.
You know what happened to me now?
What?
We've been in lockdown for so long.
You know,
and
remember the format?
I almost forget the format.
Right.
Because I'm looking now to kind
At
of
the
wrap up
time,
the
but we
interview.
we're not going to be wrapping up anytime soon, ladies and gentlemen, because this section of the show, because
Yeah.
him whispering in my ears and tell me say, "But new things,"
Yeah.
and he said it. He has voiced couple tracks recently.
Yeah, but them one day.
We no business if them no mix and master.
No,
Guess
we can't make you hear them formula there.
Excuse me.
We have something in it. We can't go on. We can't do
You can't give us 4 bars.
Alright,
This
So
is
when
the
music
Upnlive show,
Alright,
sir.
alright.
You feel
Thank you
paid.
very much.
Alright.
Thank
All
you
right,
very
let's
much.
just do this over to you.
So we're turning over to Dragon All Star.
Alright.
This
Yeah,
is his
alright.
section of the show. You
You know-
see me?
You know, you see a thing, you know, say you're about that, this, so I give you a film reading first, and let's see what can go on.
What we say about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we tell him.
You know the
Freestyle.
part, yeah? You know,
With a pay
freestyle,
fee.
'cause nobody not get the money come up in,
Yeah.
alright? Reson8 is on the building.
So go on, you know.
Hey.
Yeah. What them say? Summertime. Yeah. You know, want some more thing in the headphone. Yeah. Roll out the bench truck. Yeah, my money enough. Diamonds for my watch. Yo, the VVS hope. Rich lifestyle. You remember when me broke. Y'all look hard cause you know we no poppy show. Resonating at the blood clot place a play. Y'all wind them ways away. And we sharp like a razor blade. So give me space. Watch out. Yo, me just walk a peng teng. Y'all wine and a jiggle like Sheng Yang. Me and my thugs them up in at the party. There you go. Alright.
Now Reson8 in the
Watch
place,
out. As me step in on the whole place shell done. Boss me, I say me have no time for boss gun. Container full of money. I come through custom, bad mind can't talk. When them say with them must I waste the top shell, so we now got ton done. Laugh them a laugh, but we tell them the fun done. So tell the one bird back and the boy name Bun Bun, poor life done. Lobster tail, mama use cook run done. New year, step in a new gear. Bad mind a chat, ask them, okay. Resonate, name them, sip and the Nike here. No for them a ask if my jacket a white beer. Anyway the money they right there, tape on my pants, make them girls stare me eye clear. Don't see it's a life so unfair. Them want me fi. You feel like that? Watch ya now. Watch him make me teach them this. Man I touch road fly frequently. You see the girl in my bed, or the girl in your dream. She easy forget she say me so trendy. Girl in the back of the jeep, pan the highway man a speed. Cologne a cake like wow. Girl say she want figure. Hold on. Roll out the Grand Vita. Girl follow me before Twitter. Like Twitter. What's them girl fit? My girl fitter.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah.
Summertime in a bay.
Summertime.
Resonate people, let's go.
Yeah. I just can't hear nothing in the headphones still now. But we are working it, see me. Yeah. Big up the hustler, we hustle straight. Thugs will make money and celebrate. Man, I mock it from school days. So me never wait for go graduate. Nah, money me I look for go elevate. So me touch the street, come me never late. Because me want the food for me daughter plate. But me I go make it when me song never nominate. Go for look at work and the boss boy say me late. But I spliff and I meditate. And then me see it clear so society a violate. So me put it on a higher rate. Get a youth, fi make money why not? Fly from plane like a pilot. Head high in a snapback, lay back in our me back. I'm pretty girl a call for me touch them daily. Bad mind pay gonna watch man. In a them red contact. Them the want see me boss and sign the big contract. Ends at so me keep this up my boy and knock. Cause me don't tell myself so me not turn back. Cause me remember one day me up. Yeah, switch up the thing. Alright then, watch out.
Lyrics are flow, man.
Watch
You
out.
mean?
You love me like falls here. You love me like falls here.
Like,
You love me like falls here.
that's not you, that.
You love watch out. You love me like falls here. Make me start hearing a the carrot chase some. That one not too fast.
I swear.
Switch it.
Yeah, continue. People live in the studio this evening. This is Resonate people. No, we're not beating through the freestyle something so long. We just feel like we give him a little extra time. Yeah. Run it again, Dragon. Ready up.
Yeah. You know where they are London, though? Alright, watch it now. Hey! Resonate total and I'm with the lyrical brain. You see the style when me have a drive the girl them insane. When me touching a Jamaica, thugs a loop me from Spain. Some boy a try to keep up, but them could not maintain. Them get the iris with the target, yet still them miss them aim. Tell Babylon for free they get to youth him from the chain. Ask them for me diamonds and pearls and my beautiful girls. But when me looking at me and me see cocaine, none of the youths them a wall off the block. Them say the street hot, so like two pot them off his strap. Like some can go for the ones them will drop. Then go make a one turn and go drop in at the boy them chop. Like you see them one man run pon the track. And some informer boy call police pon my block. Them a ball but the war can't stop. Cause the farmer man never get to reap them crop. So me say your psalms for the youths them we in a the cage. And I pray Jah coulda change them page. Cause time never wait pon age. So me not go afraid for run up on stage. Nowadays every girl a go hard. Got 3 youth a yard and the boss boy still a pay a minimum wage. Youths dead in the street and nobody not say but a big curfew when police get green. Loyalty the thugs them lows. Free up cartel me tell the boys that follow man shows. Artists sing but right but them still a do the wrong. Me have to ask who shirt them. Hey! No done can tell me fi start war. Me a look for the queen, me an her par. Me a step on gas in a fast car. Big up, we a all-star. Me have a big body girl for me RR. Bad mind can't see me man gone far. No girl never leave me, me get them easy. Me nah fi tell her that me want her. Watch it, drive past haters pon the highway. Don't tell tomorrow, today am my day. Turn on the radio, no brakes and a play.
Not bad. Yo, tomorrow. Yo, today I'm my idea. Yo, brother, you know you have
I know we not drop the big thing, though.
No.
Of course, run the big
Bucket
thing.
well fat, rocks pan rocks, ice too cold, caption that.
Yes.
Them gal, send them back. Way lock your place, tell them feel like chat. Win, we a win. Yap them a yap.
Yeah.
Big fat pens outside, man a rock. Put it on the gram. Caption that. More girls say you know more option that man a top shooter, straighter than roller. We are on the glad place got asked over. Yeah, the money coming faster than scooter. And we are top girls when we was a little. Yo, what do them yota? We are them shorter. Teach man a teach them get the computer. Girl they a gun they a and we have the shorter. She give me the pussy when she go spot the madosa. You feel like that? Top dollar.
Yeah.
Money make a man a top baller.
Yeah.
You see the chain but the link brother. And
Hey.
the current a kick we never left the charger.
Hey.
Hold on.
Yo, not
Yeah,
bad.
man, one thing, man.
People resonate.
Anyway, you can follow me on Instagram.
Yeah.
Resonate. RESON8.
What, EIGHT or the number 8?
No, that's number 8.
Oh, we never know.
So RESON
Number 8.
number 8.
Right.
Music with a Q at the end.
I know, you know, I believe you know about the dumpling story because here was
Your feet, you hear the flow while
yeah,
ago.
yeah,
Yes.
and you see the lyrics
Yes.
is similar and is a catchy punchline which work. It makes sense, but believe. This is
Big
brother,
up Stylo G, man. You don't know. I'm a
course.
thing, man.
Of course. Give thanks and thank you very much for forward to
Yeah,
the
man.
studio
Give
again.
thanks every day, times. You see me?
We appreciate your honesty when you talk and be truthful. Because sometimes some artists come out of the studio and we invite them here. And the more water down the story, that they don't want to say what they're supposed to say.
Nah, man. We don't make up nothing, you see me?
Yeah, so we respect that and we appreciate it. And I hope the artists that we watch.
Take a
and,
page out of your book.
Yeah, and interested to come on the show.
Yeah.
Do the same. When you're not forward in the studio, when you talk it as how it go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
come up with no clout or whatever. Just say it as it goes. Right?
And support each other.
Of course.
Yeah, of
Stop
course.
one crab in a barrel.
Say it again for me.
Support each other and stop the crab in a barrel.
You want to say it one more time?
Support each other and stop the crab in a barrel. And dance all
message-
around the place. You know
that
see the whole, you know
message-
see all like American them a run with our thing. Eh? A dance all
Wait,
around
wait,
the
wait.
place.
Wait,
You
wait.
think that chattings?
Wait, before you go any further, we can't. Wait, him have on a shirt that says Black King. Has anybody listened to Beyonce's song?
Hold on, as you talk
Yeah,
about King. Hold
King,
on, hold on.
yeah.
As you talk about King.
Sorry,
Listen
we
up.
have to touch upon it. Go ahead.
You know, say, we black people are forward from Africa. We come from kings and queens, you know.
Yeah.
You think of chattings?
Originator.
It in a way from day one.
Exactly.
Yeah, but the history was hidden. Has been hidden from us.
Hidden.
Them
For so
come
long.
to a place, man, we don't see it.
Yeah, so that's why
Them can't trick me.
exactly because people are being woke now, and the woke term means people highlight, people eye open up, and people are now reading and
Yep.
searching for the history, and it's there.
So my point is, if you've seen the video, if you've listened to it, the female takeover team spoke about it last week about Beyonce stealing the culture of Africa. Do you think that is what is happening? Because have you seen the video, by the way?
Me not see, but most of the American them not even know who they are anyway. Them confused.
I don't think she's stealing. I like what
What is your viewpoint on it?
my honest opinion. It is the right materials for the right time now because of what's happened, especially in the recent events with the George
No,
with
Sheila.
the
Yes.
George
Yes.
Yes.
George Floyd situation. I think this is needed because Beyonce could have done anything at all. She could have show your diamonds
Beyonce
and
never
pearls.
sing white music from day one.
Exactly.
But the thing is, Rick, what we are trying to say is
Mm.
we already know that they're what you call it, not commercialized. They're being brought up and mentoring that sort of behavior. So when you see them do something like that, they're not doing it for the good of Africa or the Afrobeats community. They are just doing it
For themselves.
for themselves because
Yeah.
they're culture vulture.
Mm.
There's one point when Beyonce and the whole of them
Teacher?
was in our little bread basket at
They were in
our
Jamaica.
style.
Yeah.
Everything
And-
were
Yeah.
Just like
everything.
the Caribbean, just like like if I check out our song, she have some song were very soca related as
Yeah.
well.
The previous album was kind of the same. Some African thing was into it. And I kind of if she's doing the culture of Russia thing, me not like that, and it's wrong. But if she's doing it what I think she's doing it for, then me with it, because the videos, they're inspiring me. I'm like me little son, and my daughter watch it, and I'm ask me questions.
Questions like what?
Mama is saying to me, because she watched the Lion King thing,
Right.
and she seen some of the Lion King expression in it, and she has tried to me.
Rick, the videos.
We're talking about
and
the
those
video,
things,
the music
most
video.
of the time, they have nothing to do with it. Is an executive producer who do the video and say, listen, this is the idea because I'm listening song. Listen, what me I say. Why they know they don't want to help the culture? None of them. You see them invest back in Africa in no shape or form that you know of.
That's true.
Exactly. If you want to help a situation, you invest back into what
it.
you're taking out of.
But you see, everything with
doing it
Beyonce and Jay-Z do, it's all planned and
It's a strategic
yeah.
move.
Because remember right now, it's a black movement are going. So that's why she
Exactly.
running that. That's why she running that. If it wasn't a black movement, she wouldn't do that. She wouldn't do that. She'd have find something else where I run something. So it's all about what's trending,
yeah.
so I can blend in, blending.
Well, everybody have a point, and what you're gonna say, may agree with, but if she had do it for the goodness of the culture of Africa, then and she need to invest it, as well as you're gonna say, invest in another part there. But me like the video because a way to sell, and instead of her coming, she could have get some girl in a go-go club and wind up like what Cardi B do. Nothing against Cardi B, but she could have do that.
The lyrics in this song, you can't really do that with that song, to be honest. And it's an Afrocentric song.
It is.
So you have to kind of put the biggest thing, one of the biggest selling Western commercialized thing out of Africa, which is Lion King. I remember, that movie is not an African movie.
It's
That
not.
what I tell about, say, they are being raping Africa from years upon years.
Time ago.
Because
True.
you portray something about Lion King and Africa and everything, and who's benefit of it.
It's on the
Lion
Disney.
King
I didn't.
still
I
has
Disney.
right now.
I
The Disney
Disney.
won it.
But anyway, let's wrap up the interview with
Yes.
Reson8.
So Reson8 has given us his Instagram page,
Yeah.
and we can find all your music on the mainstream platforms.
From once you go up on my page, man, and
We get
the link,
everything there.
there for go straight
Right.
to my YouTube. So you have to just follow the page to stay update. Because I have
Updated.
some mad thing
And
to drop.
we're looking forward to it, and we know the Upnlive show normally gets our regular email, so we're looking forward to that, and we're looking forward
Yeah,
to
man.
continuing to support your music and your career, and we wish
And
you all the very best.
big up all of the people them out there. We are giving me the support and the
Yeah.
strength. Big up you lot as well.
Big up yourself,
for make
Manji.
me forward to the radio station.
Yeah,
You see me, I'm very grateful.
no
That's
problem.
what me I say.
Keep up the great work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. And on that note, thank you very much. Remember, you can watch our show on YouTube. You can go back and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's called
Yes.
Upnlive Show. Our weekly shows are posted there, and also on our Instagram is the same word at Upnlive Show, Facebook, all social media
Twitter,
across the board.
right
You can
across the
find us.